comes with. She comes with a backpack. Gonna go open it probably? Yeah. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Unicorn Kids channel. I'm Melody and this is my assistant and sister Adeline. Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing a Project MC Barbie doll and it comes with an experiment. Very fun. Here she is. Isn't she amazing, guys? Alright, Sissy, I got the scissors. Be careful. I just got her out of the box. Adeline, what do you think? She's so pretty. And look what she comes with. She comes with a backpack that she can actually wear, a brush, and don't forget her glasses. Yeah, she can find like these little spearmint glasses. She can move her legs. And she can move her arms. And look at her beautiful eyelashes and just eyeshadow right here. Mm-hmm. Here's our tablespoon and our teaspoon. Mm-hmm. And here's like this bowl thing. Now let's do the spearmint. Yay! Let's go!